Hi family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paishi, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how I removed my acrylics. So let's get started. You see, that's how they've moved. They really have moved. Like, these are 1 month old acrylics. Okay, this is unheard of, but anyway, we're going to be using that aluminium foil as well. Let me put all the requirements on the screen so you can see what you need. So I took just a little bit, little pieces of cotton wool, and I put some acetone on it, and then put it on my nail, and I cover it with a piece of aluminum foil. So just in case you do not have the foil, sometimes I use sellotape to just wrap around the nail. What you only need is for the acetone on the cotton to like sit on your nails for about an hour or so. So anything that you can use to hold it in place, you can use that. Okay, so let me just demonstrate how I do mine, and I'll let you know of some do's and don'ts so that you don't get stuck when you want to remove yours. So after 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to want to remove the foils, but this is what you don't want to do. Like, you see, I'm removing all of them at once. I shouldn't do that. I should have removed like one at a time so that I can file it off whilst the other ones are soaking, because when you remove them at once, that means that they're going to get dry before you start working on them, because the point of this whole thing is to soak them in the acetone. So if you remove the foils at once, then, well, it's gonna be hard to remove. So I had to redo for the second time. You see how the acrylics are falling off? Yeah, exactly, just like that. So you're gonna need the file to then file them off. Well, yeah, do not remove all of them at once. And the other thing that you'd like to pay attention to is which hand you're going to start applying the foils. For example, if you are right-handed, like most people are, you're going to want to use your left hand to apply the acetone on the right hand first, and then it will be easier for you to apply it on the left side using the right hand with the foils already. But if you start with the left hand like I did, it's gonna be kind of hard to use that left hand to apply it on your right hand. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, just take note. And we are done. By the way, the acetone dries out your nails and hands, so you're going to need some cuticle oil and some moisturizer to moisturize your hands after you're done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.